Hello everyone. Hope you have an amazing day today. Today, I will talk about life cycle assessment of scented candles. What is candle? Candle is a cylinder or block of wax or tallow with a central wick which is lit to produce light as it burns. What is scented? Scented is having a pleasant scent. The history of scented candles started at 3000 BC, where the candles were made from a combination of animal fats and reeds which gives off a bad smell. Candles back then are mainly used as a source of light and during prayers. When the invention of the light bulb came, candles started to be viewed as decorative items, and the first scented candles are marketed to the public. Scented candles are divided into two types, which are fragrant chemicals and essential oils or plant extracts. There are few benefits of scented candles which help to fall asleep, give a soothing effect, and helps personalize your space. The life cycle of scented candles is divided into 5, which are raw material extraction, manufacturing process, distribution and transportation, product use, and end of life. Raw material extraction. The materials are made of paraffin wax, which comes from petroleum, braided cotton, glass holder, which comes from sand, and lastly is essential oils or synthetic aroma. Manufacturing process. The paraffin wax is heated until melted with wax melter. Then, the fragrance oil is thoroughly mixed with the melted wax. Then, the combined wax cooled for 24 hours by pouring in a glass jar. Distribution and transportation. Candles must remain cool at most times, as it can easily melt, which is why it is preferable to use an air-conditioned moving truck. If the marketplace is close by, ground transport is used. If the marketplace is far, air transport is used. Product use. The scented candles can be used anytime by users by just lighting up their wick and just let it burn. The candles can also be used many times until the wax is finished. Lastly is the end of life. The residues of the scented candles is incinerated, and the candle glass holder is recycled. Next in this topic is the environmental impact of scented candles. Scented candles' impact mainly consists of indoor air pollution. The burning of scented candles in the indoor environment can release a large number of toxic and cancer-causing chemicals, where the main pollutants detected are BTEX, aldehydes, and PAH. Some of the candles' cotton wicks are also wrapped around metal materials that produce toxic soot and can lead to a lung problem. In conclusion, scented candles are not good for the environment, so There are few recommendations that can be done to overcome the pollution from scented candles. First, replace paraffin wax with more natural wax. This can be done by using soy wax or beeswax where it produces less soot than traditional wax, even estimated up to only 1/10 of paraffin wax soot. Other than that would be by using shorter wicks with missing core. This can avoid producing large amounts of soot and pollution. Last but not least is limit the burning time to reduce the amount of chemicals sent into the air by the candles. Please like and subscribe to our social media.